Hello friends, this is Dr. Sen from the Smile Surgeon Clinic. This here is a demonstration of how cleaning of the scalp is done a few days after the hair transplant. This is the third day of the patient after hair transplant. One has to be very careful so as to not disturb the transplanted hair follicles. It is a painless procedure. We need to maintain the integrity of all the transplanted grafts. That is why we use a syringe, usually a 20 ml syringe full of normal saline or Ringer's lactate is used. Any excessive debris can be cleaned. Any piece of dirt which is attached to the scalp can be carefully removed using tweezers. You might expect some bleeding from the site, but it is nothing alarming and can be easily controlled. This cleaning procedure needs to be carried out 3 to 4 times in the clinic, and later on the patient is taught how to carry on this procedure on his own also.